What's up? My name is Tima and I'm back with a new video. And for all the questions where you guys are asking me about my hair right now, I already did a video on that recently, so it should be up by now, but if it's not, it's going to be up in the next video. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going to be doing 3 different makeup looks today. And this video was also sponsored by Dossier or Dossier. I'm pretty sure it's Dossier. They are an affordable perfume company that basically has luxury scents that are for 1/4 of the price. They also offer a risk-free purchase. In case you guys don't like the scent, you can go ahead and get it for a full refund. And they are vegan and cruelty-free. It also comes with a sample size version of the scent just in case you don't like it. You're able to try that out first and you can go ahead and send it back if you don't, but if you do, of course you get to keep both. I like the smaller sample size because it comes with a roll-on package. And you guys know I'm going to be traveling soon, so this will be very handy for me. I'm super excited to take it with me and use it. Usually the luxury brands can go for anywhere from $100 to like $500. These each go for $29. What I want to do is a makeup look for each scent. However the scent makes me feel, I'm going to kind of just put the makeup look together with that. So I wanted to make this kind of a creative makeup video slash me trying out scents for you guys. It comes with the details also on each card as well. Luckily, I got a PR package from Wet n Wild. And they actually came with like, what, 4 or 5 different palettes in here. And it is from their Crystal Cavern collection. So for each scent, I'm gonna pick out a palette from this collection and basically just make a whole look with it. These smell so good right now. I can already smell it from the boxes and I can't wait to open them. So let's get started. Okay, so the first scent that I'm gonna be trying out is called Fresh One. Each of these scents is inspired by a luxury scent that you may or may not have smelled before. I'm gonna also put the notes of what this is mixed with. But I did notice that it had cedarwood, patchouli, and white musk. And I do love more musky scents in my opinion. Gravitate towards those rather than like more of the sweet smelling scents. Oh yeah, it definitely has a musky scent to it. So this would definitely be a daily scent that I would be wearing. Also what I like is that it does come with a sample. They give you a 50 milliliter bottle before actually opening up this product. You only would have tried this first to make sure you would like it beforehand. So what I'm gonna choose for this look is the Wet n Wild limited edition clear quartz eyeshadow trio. And yeah, again, this is from their Crystal collection, so I'm super excited to try this out. I haven't opened this one yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna smoke this out a little bit. I don't usually like silvers on me very much, so I'm gonna have to really get used to this, but I think it can make it work. Okay, so I found Kitten Karma from Stila. I'm gonna go in with that in the center of my, or the corner of my eyes. For this look, I'm gonna just go, because it's like an everyday, I'm gonna go in with my Cedar Later. This is from Wet n Wild as well. And this is their High Shine lip gloss or lipstick. Okay, so I just put on my mascara. I'm not gonna put on my fake lashes until the very end of the video, but yeah, this is a look for Fresh One. Okay, so I just came back from taking pictures. I'm gonna go into the next look. I'm gonna take off this red lip. I'm probably gonna end up using, actually, no, we're gonna leave the red lip on. Yeah, so I just ended up wearing the Fresh One perfume. So again, for the next scent, I got Woody number 2, or Fresh Woody number 2. And this is my most musky scent that I have. Pink peppercorns, bergamot pepper, middle notes, leather, nutmeg, Amber Vanilla. So yeah, I'm gonna go in for this next look. I'm gonna keep the red lip that I have on right now, and I'm gonna go in with this green palette from Wet n Wild. Yeah, this is the Jade palette. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in my inner corner with the lightest green shade in here. It's kind of hard to tell or see, but it's got little hints of light green specks in it as well. I'm gonna do this Mega Glow lip gloss in Jade. Obviously it's in Jade too. Ooh, over my red lip. I chose the green colors for the woody scent because it just reminds me of like nature, and I guess like I wanted more of a foresty green type of look, and I think this did the job. I think it looks really good. Again, this is from the Jade palette from Wet n Wild as well. Yeah, let's move on to the last look of this tutorial, and I hope that you guys like it. All right, I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna, so I don't look as crazy, I'm gonna start off with my lips first for this look. And the last scent I'm going to be talking about today is going to be Floral number 3, and this is inspired by Chanel's number 5. But again, it looks like this. It definitely has more of a sweet scent to it. Oh yeah, it's got a kind of like a fruity smell, but it's definitely more on the floral side. Okay, and then I'm also going to be going in with the shadow palette Rose Quartz. Try to go over my whole lid with this pink shade right here. Just like packing it on here. Woo! I'm gonna go in with this shade next. Oh yeah, and then next I'm gonna be going in with the Mega Glow Lip Gloss, and this one is in also Rose Quartz. Go ahead and use their illuminating highlighter, and you just kind of dip your finger in it. It's like a nice creamy consistency. So I wanted to do more of like a sweet look because it does have a sweet floral scent to it. So I chose the pink palette from this look. I love it. I chose the perfect pink. I used the NYX Lingerie in Exotic, and it's like my favorite color because it matches my skin tone really well. Again, I do love this. I wanted to have at least one floral scent from Dossier just because I felt like I needed one. I usually pick all musky scents for all of my perfumes. I need to have something different in my collection in my opinion, so that's why I chose this. They give you a lot of product in each one. This will last you for a very, very long time. I'm gonna put the link for you guys down below to all these scents. Okay, and also if you guys use the code Tima10, you do get 10% off. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything down below for you guys so you can go ahead and check it out. And thank you to Dossier for sending me all of these awesome scents. I love them so freaking much. I hope that you guys like all of my makeup looks for this video. I chose not to put on lashes because I'm really lazy right now, and I already took pictures for it today. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.